Good afternoon, guys. Summer's finally here, and so the outdoors beckons. And I've got something to show you here. It's very reasonably priced. That is great for your camping trips. This is the box for it. This is the S700 ALLPOWERS power station. This is it here. It's the big brother to the S300, which we showed you before. I'll run through all the details of it in a minute, but safe to say, the thing I like about this is it's 606 watt hours, so it's much more powerful than the S300. This has a continuous power of 700 watts with a surge of 1400. Now on the front you can see you've got your two AC outlets, and you've got your buttons for AC and DC and for turning it on, which is just there. You probably can't see that coming up now. Just finished charging this. Yeah, it's a bit dim to see it. On the side here you've got your Anderson port, your mains charger, which also is where your solar charger goes in, but we'll come back to that in a minute. And then under here is your 12 volt cigarette type lighter socket. And then on this side you've got three 5 volt USB-A's. And then you've got a USB-C. Now the USB-C is two-way. It can be used up to 60 watts for the charging of this, yeah, and up to 100 watts for output. So great for your laptops and all that. I've been using this on my laptop. Now we've had this for a good few weeks now, and I've been putting it through its paces, and I can tell you, I'm really impressed with this. It's pretty quiet. It's also really well made. It's a little bit on the heavy side. It's 7 kilos, but it feels robust compared to the Life PO4 ones, which feel a little bit light of theirs. I really like it. It's got the outside lights on it, like you can, very bright when you do that at night. But it's been it's been running my laptop. Now my laptop's a gaming laptop, and it runs up to 180 watts when you edit in to keep it topped up. This was no bother whatsoever, whereas one of the other power packs, I won't mention what one, but it wouldn't, it kept cutting it out. This worked fine. Charges reasonably quick. None of these are as fast as the Life PO4s, but it charges pretty quick. And this is where this comes in. This is the SP029. Now, to give you an idea of size, that's how small it folds up. Look, there's my knees. It's lovely. I'm really impressed with this. This is 140 watts, and it charges really good. Now the sun's moved where I am today because I'm sitting here doing a bit of carving. Let's let that helicopter just go over. We're in the New Forest, so we've been sitting here spotting animals. We've had some stags come by us, quite a few ponies and stuff, and this of an evening occasionally gets Shetland ponies just here. So we're hoping that they're going to come wandering along a bit later on. But I'm going to get this out and show you it in a second, because it does fold out quite big. But it comes with all the connectors and more, actually, this one. I've already got it wired up for this one, but there you can see is the connector for the mains is on the end of that. But it's MC4 connectors on here. But you also get the MC4 to Anderson plug. You get a load of these little adapter plugs to go on there, and then you also get this one, which I've not seen in any of the other solar panels that these guys have sent us. Yeah, this one's got crocodile clips on it, so you could go straight to your battery from this, which is brilliant. I've not seen that before. And also, I will show you it when it comes up, but if you look there, you can do two USB-A's and a USB-C from inside the actual solar panel itself. So this is absolutely brilliant. Let's have a look at some of the specs of this. I say it's 140 watt, 19 to 23% efficiency, which is pretty good. Maximum power voltage 19.5 volts, 6.67 amps. So, but what I like is the size of that. That can go in any car, any thing, and it's not going to take up too much room. I would say it weighs about 3 or 4 kilos. Doesn't actually say on there what it weighs, but it's pretty good. So let's give this a go. At the moment I've just got the Dremel in it. Now that's the fan running. Runs, kicks in, nothing major. Let's see if it'll do this then. They're great for sitting outdoors. In my case, I'm working on a new stick. I just want to smooth off some of the work that I've done with the chisels. Give him a bit of a better beard. So what will this run? Well, obviously it'll run things like this. Great for your tools. Stick a battery in there. There she goes, charging your batteries. Now, being it's 700 watts, it's not going to run air fryers and things like that unless you've got things, but it will run low power kettles. It will charge all your phones. I say it runs my laptop, absolutely no bother. Now, a low power kettle would be fine. Tongs, any of that stuff. Now, unfortunately, we don't own any of those things, right, to actually show you. So I can't say, oh, you know, this is what we use it for, but we're using it mainly. I'm using this for my laptop because I've been so impressed with the little one that we bought you, the S700. We use that all the time. It runs our washing machine. It does all of that effortlessly. So this one is over twice the size in terms of power. But not twice the size in terms of actual physical size. And it runs a lot longer, 600 watt hours. You know, the EcoFlow Deltas, the EcoFlow Delta 2s that we've got are 1,000 watt hours, but they're £1,000. This, at the moment, is on sale at £249. It is the older technology, but that shouldn't make a difference. If you treat it right and don't let it overheat or anything, you've got no risks whatsoever. We've had no problems with that 300, and it's been in hot conditions and everything. So the 700 should be no different. What else would it run? Cool boxes, all that sort of thing would be absolutely no bother, but you would know what appliances you have that will be up to 700 watts. So this is the SP29 solar panel that I was telling you about. It's just here, and that's it, folded right out. Pretty good. You can pin it down with the eyelets down in the corners there. You've got these great legs that come out around the back, and at the moment I've got it plugged back into the S700, but that's actually fully charged because I'd already done this once. But you can see in here you can use it for your USBs. And I showed you all the leads, etc, etc. I think that's a really good addition. Off the top of my head, I can't remember the price, but the code is on there for that one. Chances coming in to join us here, and stuff like that. So if you're out camping, this is a brilliant solar panel because it won't take up much room in your tent. Anyway, I'm going to pack that away, and then we'll carry on talking to you. So pretty much that is our review of the ALLPOWERS S700. I like it. There are codes in our description. They are affiliate links, but there's also a discount code which we will put up, which gets you an extra 5% off. So I'm not sure exactly what that totals up to, but for under 250 quid, more power than the Jackery 500. What can I say? Personally, I think it's a no-brainer if you need something around that medium size, you know, that you're not trying to cook off of and all the rest of it, especially if you're in a tent. That would be absolutely awesome. Anyway, and I hope you like the solar panel. I've put it away again now, but from us, we'll see you very, very soon on our travels. Bye for now.